Okay, I'm back. Yeah, sorry about that interruption. Just Windows 8 being Windows 8. Well, I'm back, so that's good. Okay, who to go for next? I meant the update was fast. I wasn't expecting to just end the stream right there. I'll go with Blizzard Man. That's interesting. They actually give some more detail. Oh! I do remember hearing about this. Okay, let's see how this works. This is interesting. Ah! Well. This is gonna be fun. And I think I saw these in Mega Man Powered Up. You just step on them, and they blow up. Yeah, just as I thought. Whoa. There we go. Wait. Well, this is gonna take a bit to get used to. There we go. And yeah, I just tried it. That is gonna be annoying. Doesn't seem like I can skip that. Damn ice physics. And I can't slide with this. There we go. That can be interesting. But I'm just gonna stick with the Buster for now. There we go. And let's head down. Oh. Man, I'm sliding around a lot. I don't remember it being this bad in Iceman stage. Well, good thing I went this way. Whoa. Oh boy. Yeah. No way I was gonna get through that. Oh! Damn it. Am I seriously all the way back at the start? Crap. Well, let's charge this back. And I can't get up there. Oh well. Okay, here we go. That explosion seemed a bit delayed. Well, let's try this again. Oh. go. Not good. Jump! For some reason he wasn't jumping. I'm out of here. That was annoying. Maybe I just wasn't pressing the buttons right with these physics. God damn it. This has not been going well. So much for being one of the easier Mega Man games. Well, that was a close one. Okay, I'm trying out the power adapter here. Hopefully I can get the hang of it. Oh! That is really good. Okay, get over here. Or I could miss. Damn it. I did not have this many problems with those shield enemies back in Mega Man 4. Bye. I just want to get a checkpoint at this rate. Which won't really matter since I'm down to 0 lives. Okay, this seems like the opposite of Dustman's stage. That was easy. I completely missed those spikes. Yeah, this has been an embarrassing run. Well, let's try that again. Those things have terrible aim. And I just missed that. That reminds me of a health pack you could get all the way back in Elecman stage. That thing was annoying. There we go. This is going to be really embarrassing if these turn out to be the easiest stages. Well, at least I got another one up. Oh. There we go. I just realized I haven't used any of my E-tanks yet. Well, that'll be interesting. Okay, I could skip that, I just needs a hit start. This is going to be tricky to hit with. In order to do an airborne attack, I need to let go of attack and then immediately hits a jump. Yeah, that's how I always use E-Tanks. And wait, hold on. I think this was in the last game, but we no longer lose our grip when we get into the menu. I think that was in the last game, but I can't remember. Oh. That was much easier. Okay, even though I'm sure this is going to be the weakness of the boss, I'll see just how tough that guy really is. There we go. Dang it. I remember that you can't slide in this. Okay, if I can time this just right. Nope, can't. That was a bad idea. I just jumped to avoid the spikes. And those guys take a lot of hits. Oh boy. Wait. I wonder. Ah! This is interesting. Come on, make it. Nice. I'm glad that we're seeing this kind of level design again, where we're actually kind of rewarded for using certain items. Because I think in Mega Man 4 and 5, you could get everything in the stage with just the Mega Buster and nothing else. At least I think that was the case, but here we actually need some power-ups. And I'm glad to see that again. That's one of the reasons I like Mega Man 2's level design. Whoa. That was close. Bye. Oh, hell. Well, that was kind of interesting. Wouldn't exactly call it a puzzle, but still interesting. Okay, I'm not gonna use the Flame Burst just yet, since I'm sure I'm gonna die in this take. So let's just try to see his pattern. Whoa. And he cornered me. That kinda looks easy to read, but not sure what I'm gonna do if he corners me like that. It seems like it'll be pretty difficult to get out of the way. Oh god, it's Charge Man all over again. Freaking invincibility frames. Dang it! Just made it! Use the E-Tank? Game? Okay, I have to hit the jump button this time. Weird. Whoa. I don't think there was any way I could have dodged that when he rolled when he was right next to me. It didn't seem like I could dodge that. That's gonna be interesting when I get to the rematch stage. If I had more of Flame Man's power, then it wouldn't have been as bad, but still, those invincibility frames. Seems a little intriguing. Alright, 2 down.